హలో ఆల్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ మ్యాడియజ్. నేను మీ మాధురి. మీరు కానీ నా వీడియో ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నట్టయితే ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్. పక్కనే బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి, నేను వీడియో పెట్టగానే అప్డేట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇన్ టుడేస్ వీడియో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షో యూ హౌ టు మేక్ ద సెంటర్ పీస్ ఫర్ ద క్రేడల్ ceremony. I'm using a foam board from Dollar Tree. I have selected a pattern of what kind of cradle I want. So this is the one I took from Pinterest. So I'm going to replicate a similar one. Use a freehand sketch and do a outline for the cradle. So here is a freehand sketch I'm doing. These are the two corners. Please make sure you have a ruler, a pencil, as well as eraser. Yes, it's a big piece, so there are some mistakes which go and which are not avoidable. Yes, that's okay to have mistakes, right? If the output is good, that's all it matters. Here I'm doing the railing for the cradle. For that I have selected the thickness of the ruler, so it's easy rather than taking the bigger thickness for them. To make sure I have the even number or the good spacing between the railings, I did the railings from two sides, so in that way it gives you the equal distance. Even though you don't have much distance, for me you can see that the center two doesn't have much distance, but overall the look won't be too crooked. That's what I meant. So here I'm giving a small semicircles or half circles just to give the cradle kind of look, and I'm marking what I want to cut because I don't want to cut a one which is actually useful for the cradle, right? So just mark it like cut so you have an idea. Now I'm using the cutting board as well as two different knives. Here I have a crafting knife as well as a big knife. This is a crafting knife, but for a thicker ones, and I'm planning to use this as it makes it very quick and easy. The knife is very sharp, so please be careful while doing. It looks as easy as it looks in the video. Yes, it's very easy to cut, very easy to get them out. So if you mark it like cut, like what parts you want to cut it out, it's easier rather than missing out something, right? The actual piece you want. So here what I'm doing is I'm just cutting out the parts I don't want in the foam board so that it looks like a cradle. This is the bottom of the cradle. You can see it's little bit hard to cut like curves, but it comes with the practice, I can say. It's as it is a foam board, you can't use scissors. For me the problem is my fingers are too small, so if I use the scissors my fingers hurt a lot, so I prefer using the foam board. So now it looks like a cradle for me. For this as I said, I don't have much time, so I'm using the glitter sheets. It has a adhesive already, so it's easy. And as I said, I took the thickness of the ruler, so I'm using that thickness and cutting them up. See here's how I'm gonna stick them. Just peel off the back paper and just stick it, that's all, and it's done. So I'm doing more of the cuttings for the rail. It's pretty easy, it's pretty quick. You can get it done in like 1 hour. It's okay if, like for me, if you can see, it is little bit shorter for me, but I use the small cuttings and I stick it up. You won't be noticing anything even though it is two different pieces. It doesn't matter. So don't try to be super perfectionist, I can say. For the bottom railings, what I did was I just cut a thin sheet to cover all the half circles or semicircles, and now you can see how I'm cutting them, which is easier. So I'm going into the back and cutting them instead of cutting them from the front, cutting the foam sheet and then sticking it. This is an easier approach. You can see how easy. Yeah, it has glue, so it sticks up to the knife. I tried to do the same thing for the smaller semicircle, but it didn't work for me, so I had to switch to shears or scissors. What I did was I just cut one side, like half and half. You can see I made a cutting from the corner to the center from one side. Now I'm going to cut the other half, so it's easier rather than rotating and cutting it. It's not that perfect. If you can see, you won't be noticing it's like a sharp triangle kind of look, but it doesn't matter, right? Now I want to do the last two corner rails. For that, I'm cutting the parts. I try to cut it small because the bottom and the top has a curve, so I want to match that curve, because I don't want to disrupt that shape, I guess. Now I'm using a red color. It's crimson red apple barrel paint from Walmart, which is only 50 cents. So it's very cheap and very easy, I can say. And it dries up very quick. So if you have kids at home, you don't have to worry. It just dries up in like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, that's all. What I did was I just painted all the white spaces with the red, because the background I selected for the cradle ceremony was yellow, so I wanted something bright. I'm going to post the cradle ceremony background also pretty soon after this video. Everything was very simple, very easy, and it was very different from what I did so far. So here is the cradle. It looks good. I tried to do the second coat to give the brighter, the background is white, right, the base, so it gives a much brighter look. I hope you like the video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and comment below. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.